Hi everyone, in this video we are going to make a stone paper scissor game. So let's get started. We are going to import random and then I'm going to define the main function. The main function is going to take a parameter. It will be human choice, and then we are going to say human choice is equals to human choice dot upper. Then we are going to say PC choice equals to random dot rand range, and we want the range between 0 to 3. Then we are going to define a main dictionary, and we are going to say main dictionary equals to, it's going to have 3 keys that will be stone with value of 0, and then scissor with the value of 2. And then we are going to say main list. We are going to have a list, and we are going to say list, and this list is going to be main dictionary keys. So it's going to contain stone, paper and scissor. Now we are going to say print. First of all, we are going to ask for an input which will be downside. I am going to make another video on this which will be converting this into a graphical user interface. We are going to make this graphical in the second video, but for now we are going to use an input statement. So the input is going to come over here. Now we will show what you have chosen and what the PC has chosen. So we are going to say human choice. We want human choice, and we are going to say versus, and then we are going to say PC choice. But PC choice is either 0, 1 or 2, so we need to convert it. We are going to convert it by using the main list, and this is going to be its index. So we have used dictionary over here, so the keys will be stone will be at the 0th index, paper will be at the first index, and scissors will be at the second index. Then we are going to say human choice equals to human choice, and we are going to convert this into numbers either 0, 1 or 2 by using the main dictionary. So this is going to convert it into either 0, 1 or 2. Then we are going to say if human choice is equals to PC choice. If that's the case, we want to print tie, that is no one won. And else if, we are going to check for 3 conditions. There are 3 conditions in stone paper scissors when either of the players can win. So we are going to define the conditions for which we are going to win. So I'm going to say if human chose stone and PC chose scissors, then the user wins. What's the other condition? If the human chose paper and the PC chose stone, then also we are going to win. And the third condition will be if we chose scissors and PC chose papers. So those are the 3 conditions in which we are going to win. In that condition we are going to say you won, and we are going to say else, we are going to print you lose. So that's it. And as I am going to convert this into a graphical game, I am going to say if name equals to main, then run the main function. And here I am going to say human choice is equals to input, and I am going to ask stone, paper or scissor, and I'm going to pass this into the main function. Let's just try it out. And I'm going to say python game.py, and it's telling me that I forgot this. I'm going to save it again and I'm going to run it, and it says stone, paper or scissor. I'm going to say stone, and it says stone versus stone, so tie. So that's it for this video. Click the like button, subscribe for more content, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.